Welcome to the most patriotic city in the state of California. Man.
Hey, sexy.
What?
We're pulling up. Rolling Thunder. The West Coast Rolling Thunder. Yeah, we got the special passes, so we get to go on this side.
Oh, nice.
I don't think they have stickers. Maybe they do. I don't know.
He does it. He does it. He does it.
That's why Christian went there early. Damn, look at all these bikes.
I know.
I don't know if it's true, but somebody told me it's like 5,000 bikes that go on this ride.
Christian said that.
5,000.
Too.
Oh, this is insane.
Holy shit.
Hey, watch your mouth.
Oh, sorry.
I'm just kidding. I don't really care. Bikes on bikes.
Whoa, look ahead of us.
Dang. What? And it's on both sides too, by the way.
I know.
Yeah. That's V-Rod. That looks like, is that Carlos? That looks like Carlos's bike. Green Beast.
Oh. What's Dwayne telling us? Dwayne's telling us to move over and go straight. You said Carlos's bike?
I thought I saw Carlos's bike.
Oh my god, my ass. Oh, that hurts. Oh.
Oh, so cool. Yeah.
Welcome to the nuttiness of West Coast Thunder. This is insane. I think they said there's supposed to be about 7,000 to 8,000 bikes that are actually showing up today. So after we head up towards the front of the Harley Davidson, way over there, you'll be able to see where they're going to have the ceremonies at, and we're supposed to take off at 9:11 sharp. It's going to be a great fucking day.
Man, look at that flag flying. Has anybody seen a bigger flag than Cal? Cal Sprain's flag right there. Thank you, Cal, for always being patriotic this morning and bringing your flag out that we can ride underneath. That doesn't happen every day, does it? It should. Maybe it should. Maybe it should. Hey, I just want to thank you all for coming out. We are truly honored that West Coast Thunder is in Riverside because of Harley Davidson and because of the good work of the West Coast Thunder Committee, led by the president, Bill Chamberlain. Sharon Bridges is the executive director, and I'm going to present them a certificate. But I want to thank all of you all, again, so grateful that you would join us on Memorial Day. I want to hear it. I want to hear it if you are an Army veteran. Let me hear you. Hey! What about the Marines out there? Where are the Marines this morning? What about the Air Force? And what about those Navy folks? Hey, I love those Navy guys too. I love those. Hey, again, thank you all. We are honored and grateful that you're here today in Riverside. And let me present this certificate of appreciation on behalf of the City Council and the 300.
All right, the official ride of the West Coast Rolling Thunder has begun. V-Rod. He's got the same helmet too, except white. I mean, mine is white. His is red. High five. Woo! Smells like burnt oil and gasoline. America. Are we parking here? Oh. No, Rose. We're blocking the gate. Sea of bikes.
What?
It's a sea of bikes.